What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and you guessed it, we're back in the garage today. We're going to show you the progress of the giveaway quad. We got pretty much all our parts in. I'm only waiting for a couple things. I'm waiting for front tires, and I think that might be it. Oh, I'm waiting for a grab bar too. So front tires and a grab bar, and we got all our parts in, but we have enough now that we can finally get this thing finished up. This way we can get some more videos, some more pictures, throw it out there for you guys to see on social media, and get this thing filled up and give this quad away to one lucky winner. So we'll show you the quad in a second, but first off, a huge thank you to B&R Motorsports. You guys know that he does all of my head work, my suspension work, and offers a ton of miscellaneous parts for your ATV, side-by-side, 4x4, all that stuff. So we sent him the head just to get it freshened up. So we did have to change 4 valves. You can see how these are they kind of got sandblasted on the end. So 4 new valves, new valve springs, and a new rubber boot. I guess that one was a little dry rotted. We also sent him our throttle body just to have it cleaned and the injector cleaned, so that's good to go. I want this thing to be mint for the winner, so you know, we are spending some money on this thing, guys. We want this thing to be mint. Whoever wins it is going to get a race ready quad, fill it up with gas, take it to the races, and send it. Like I said, this quad only had 22 hours on it. We had a lot of mud races this year, and I think I did not start using this extra filter until later in the season. So we did get a little, we did suck in a little dirt in the head. So at least this thing is good to go, and I know that, so it makes me feel better. Show you some other parts. We have our new tires down there. We have a brand new HMF exhaust. We have our heel guards that just got powder coated from Sport Bike Powder Coating. So huge thank you to my buddy Herb Willis, along with a brand new front bumper, some miscellaneous. Well, we got the fender brackets all powder coated from Sport Bike Powder Coating. Huge thank you to Hyper Wheels. We got new hardware, new beadlock rings, new mud plugs. We do have to put a new rotor in this quad. It does have a slight bend in it, so huge thank you to DP Brakes. We got a brand new rotor. We did get a brand new piston from B&R Motorsports. This is just a 12.5 piston, so you can run it on pump gas. It's going to last a long time, and it's going to also provide plenty of power. You guys know, if you don't know, on the head, so the head, we do run +1 valves. +1 valves, it is ported, and we do have an intake cam. We do run the Raccoon Racing intake and box. We do need to clean all this stuff up along with the radiator. This thing is super dirty. I was actually pretty shocked when I took this apart how much dirt is trapped behind the fan. We got some new frame guards from LS4, so huge thank you to them. And then you can see all the other parts for the engine. Brand new belly skid from GYTR, so huge thank you to those guys. We got some miscellaneous hardware. We got all the fender hardware. We got some new lug nuts for the wheels, and I want to say I think that might be it. So we're gonna start working on the top end. We're gonna just do this in time lapse, guys, just to keep it quick, but we'll show you, in real time what we get done today. I'm not sure if I'll have this thing running right now. We'll get this stuff in, get the top end in, and then we'll just see how it goes. Like I said, I got some cleaning to do, so that's going to eat up some time. So we might just work on this over the next couple days and make it one video, or we might make it a couple separate videos. We'll see just how it goes on time. We did just peel off the graphics on the black quad. It actually looks pretty sick, all black like that. So we do have some work to do on that, but that will be for another day in another video. But today's mission, we didn't show you the quad yet. So here's how she sits right now. She's really naked. So we're gonna work on the top end, like I said, get this engine buttoned up, and then we're gonna try to get it buttoned up enough where we can fire her up. So hopefully, if not today, then it will be maybe tomorrow. So we got work to do, so let's go. Guys, so we made some pretty good progress. I know I always say, you know, we may not get it done today, this afternoon. I am out here this afternoon. It's almost 5 o'clock. It's like 4:30, so I think I was out here. I don't have to check the start of the video. Maybe at like 1 o'clock, 1:30, something like that. So she is ready to fire. We got everything done. The only thing I am missing is I can't find this bracket. I'm not sure where that went, so have to look for that. If I don't have one, then I will have to replace it. We still have some cosmetic things to do, but as far as the main thing, the engine is done. Everything went together pretty smoothly. You guys know I'm pretty good with the YFZ, so the top ends are super easy. We got the brand new HMF exhaust, which looks so good with this build, with that blacked out ceramic coated header. And I love the heat shields. You can put the heat shields back on these, which just gives it a nice touch and protects your boot. We're not going to put the brake lever back on just yet because I might have to adjust the clutch, so I'm not going to mess with that just yet. But we got coolant. We're going to top it off. So this is going to be a first fire. I'll show you guys, I did not start this thing yet. I didn't even try it. All I did was just prime the fuel pump. And I think what I'm going to do before I start this thing is I'm just going to cycle this thing a little bit to circulate the oil and the coolant. Alright, that should be good. You can see the coolant went down just a little bit. We will have to just burp that. Alright, so I'm going to put you guys on the trusty tripod and let you guys go right over here. It's a good view, and fingers crossed this girl fires. So we will see. Alright guys, that is a wrap for this one. We just did another heat cycle, and she sounds really good. Gave her a few revs. Sounds so good. The HMF not only looks really good, but she sounds awesome. Whoever wins this thing is going to have a super reliable and strong engine. This thing is going to rip. It's what I run in the black quad. Same piston, same everything else is exactly the same. And the good thing about the 12.5 is you can run this thing for 100 hours, whatever. Just maintain the oil, the air filter, coolant, things like that. Don't let anything go, and then this girl will treat you good. If you guys are interested in how to enter, check out my Facebook or my Instagram. All the details are there in my pinned post, and then just PM me and we can get you guys entered to win this. If you are not on Facebook or Instagram, shoot me an email here and I can go over the details with you guys on how to enter to win my 2024 National Race Bike. So we will do a second video, maybe a second or third, we'll see. But we do have we don't have a lot to do, but we do have a good amount of stuff to do. I guess this is the easier stuff, tires, things like that, the bolt-ons. So we'll just see how it goes with time. We'll probably just do the same thing, time lapse with a before and after in real time, and we'll try to keep it short. And if we're gonna do a third video, we'll do a third video. But that's a wrap, guys. Thank you for watching. As always, give me a thumbs up, that helps a ton. Drop some comments, let me know what you think of the giveaway quad, and if you're not yet, please subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. All right, peace.